Hey guys, Earl here. Welcome back to my kitchen. I'm going to show you a brand new product today from Savory Butcher, which is Bolognese. This is actually a meat sauce that has already been cooked. It is stable in the refrigerator for 50 days. It's 88% lean, has all the seasoning, all the spicy, everything that you need to make a quick, simple meal for your friends, for your family. And all you have to do is take and trim these little metal clips right off the end of the Bolognese. Whoop, there it goes there. And I think I'm gonna trim this right here. You know what? I think I'll just run right down like this. Open her up, drop her in. Look at all the meat in this. Wow, this is a really, really nice meaty sauce. Over to the right, I've got some noodles boiling. So I'm gonna simply take and put that into the microwave for, I'd say about actually four minutes because it's already thawed. And when we get done, we're gonna mix it up. And that's how easy it is to cook here in my kitchen. So I'll see you in a second. All right, we're back here in my kitchen and it is time to eat. We have safely microwaved this Bolognese. And this is why you put paper towels over them, by the way. But we've got the Bolognese sauce here. You know, that actually smells really good. This meaty flavor. You know what I'm gonna do? You already know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna taste it. Because I'm just curious. I'm used to making this homemade, but you know, not everybody has a ton of time to go and make a long-term meat gravy like this. Oh, wow. That's good. I like that. All right, so I did some seashells here, seashell pasta, because I like to be able to have a pasta that's going to catch the meat, right? So we'll just take this, drain her off here a little bit. Now there's seashell pasta, you guys. So when you're doing seashell pasta, you want to kind of do this a little bit because those little shells are going to catch water in there. You don't want to get that down in your sauce. And I also want it to collect this meat sauce when I mix it in. Again, 5-minute meal. Doesn't take any time to boil this. Quick, easy, delicious, simple. And so you guys know, anytime you make a fantastic meal in a microwave that's already been pre-cooked but is delicious for your family, you want to bust out the fine china. So I got it right here. We're going to throw some of that right up on there. And we'll finish it off with a little Parmesan cheese. Hopefully. A little Parmesan cheese. And bam! 5-minute meal, done that easy. If you want to get this for your family from Savory Butcher, make sure you click the link down below and it'll take you right there and you can order it for yourself. But that is the new Savory Butcher Bolognese, already pre-cooked, 5-minute meals, ready for you and your family. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Make sure you like and subscribe down below. We'll see you at my kitchen.